Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to join the Quotex referral program and start earning money step by step. Whether you're already trading on Quotex or just looking for a way to make passive income online, this method is simple and completely free to start. So, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the official Quotex website. That's quotex.io. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up and create one using your email, or log in through Google or Facebook. Make sure you use your real details because Quotex requires account verification before withdrawals. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your trading dashboard. Now, to access the referral program, look at the top or side menu and click on Affiliate Program or Partnership. Depending on your region, it might appear slightly differently. This will take you to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you'll see all the tools you need to start earning as a partner. You'll get a unique referral link. This is the most important part. This link tracks every user who signs up through you. Whenever someone registers using your link and starts trading, you earn a commission on their trading volume. The best part is, they don't lose any money. Quotex pays you directly as a reward for bringing in new users. Now, let's talk about how to actually earn. Quotex's affiliate program uses a revenue share model, usually giving you up to 80% commission depending on your partner level. That means the more active traders you bring in, the higher your percentage goes. There are also bonuses and milestones, like extra payouts once your referrals reach a certain volume. To promote your link effectively, you can share it in several ways. Post it on YouTube videos, Telegram channels, Facebook groups, or even trading forums. But make sure your promotions follow the Quotex guidelines. Avoid spam or false promises. Instead, focus on creating value. For example, you can make tutorials, share trading strategies, or show proof of your own results to attract real users who trust your link. Inside your affiliate dashboard, you'll also find marketing tools like banners, landing pages, and tracking stats. You can monitor every click, registration, and conversion in real time. This helps you see which platforms perform best so you can improve your marketing strategy over time. Once you start earning, you can withdraw your affiliate income through the same payment methods Quotex uses for trading, such as cryptocurrency, e-wallets like Skrill or Neteller, or bank transfers. Withdrawals are usually processed within 24 hours, which is faster than most affiliate programs. So, to summarize, create a Quotex account, open the affiliate dashboard, copy your referral link, share it responsibly, and start earning commissions every time your referrals trade. It's one of the easiest ways to build a passive income online, especially if you already have a trading or finance audience. And that's it. That's how you join and earn with the Quotex referral program, step by step. If you stay consistent and promote smartly, you can turn this into a solid stream of extra income over time. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.